In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heat map table in Looker Studio step by step. Creating a heat map table is an excellent way to visualize data trends and patterns, making it much easier to analyze large volumes of information at a glance. Let's dive into the process starting from accessing Looker Studio. First, you'll need to navigate to Looker Studio. Once you're in, the first task is to add a pivot table to your report. Adding a pivot table is straightforward. Just click on Add a Chart at the top of your screen and select Pivot Table from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected it, go ahead and place it on your report canvas. This serves as the foundation for your heat map. With the pivot table in place, the next step is to set up your data. On the right side, in the Setup panel, find the section labeled Data Source and choose the data source you'd like to use. Then it's time to define how your data will be broken down. For the row dimensions, you might want to use something like hour of day, which will help identify patterns based on time. For column dimensions, day of week is a logical choice, providing a broad overview across the week. As for metrics, decide on what's most relevant to what you're analyzing. Options like sessions or conversions are common choices. To maintain a clear layout, ensure your row and column dimensions are sorted in ascending order, allowing for a logical flow of information. Once your pivot table is set up, you'll convert it into a heat map. To do this, select your pivot table and you will see a setup panel appear again. In this panel, change your chart type from pivot table to pivot table with heat map. This switch will transform your usual data grid into a vibrant color-coded map, highlighting contrast and making critical information stand out. After converting your table into a heat map, it's time to focus on aesthetics, which plays an essential role in visual analysis. Click on the Style tab on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you can customize the colors of your heat map to augment clarity and impact. Look for the Metrics section, where you'll see a list of your metrics such as Metric 1 or Metric 2. Next to each metric, you'll find a color swatch. Click on it to open a color picker, giving you the freedom to choose the specific colors you prefer. You could also choose a custom shade by clicking on the plus symbol and entering either a hex or RGBA code if you're familiar with color coding. And there you have it, a comprehensive functional heat map table in Looker Studio. This tool not only improves your data's visual appeal, but significantly boosts your data analysis capabilities. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating your own heat maps.